start.
Michael.
Mica is really something. You can just kind of bend down and get some mica in your hand, and it peels. I love the way it peels. So Michael Lee, best agile coach in the universe. According to the Martians, sometimes liberating structures. Today it's going to be about liberating structures and mica. And if you've been watching me, please subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't, just subscribe now and like this video. So mica peels so nicely. I can sit down here for hours and just peel it layer by layer. And it's very thin and nice. It's a mineral, by the way. And as a coach, as a facilitator, I use liberating structures to peel the layers of miscooperation in a team by using a string of liberating structures. Now, I did talk about liberating structure strings in remote environments 2 years ago. I'll post the link down below. A string of liberating structures, been watching the last couple of videos on this trip, is connecting several liberating structures in a 2-3 hour in-person workshop. Maybe you have 20 people, maybe 5, and maybe 50. Maybe you start with impromptu networking as a way to get people kind of collaborating, people who don't normally work together in pairs. Maybe then you do a 1-2 for all with a powerful question to get people thinking about a specific problem in teams that's in their way. And again, links down below to these liberating structure tools are all liberating structures. And then you might go into a 15% solution to work through the solution and kind of continue peeling the things that are standing in your leadership team or in any team that's working together that's running into issues. And then maybe you top it all off, this string of liberating structures to completely peel the mica. Maybe the way you can top it off is with a conversation cafe. And just recorded a conversation cafe maybe 4 or 5 videos ago. I'll post a link down below, look it up. And I really like stringing a liberating structure workshop with several of these methods. They're really amazing. They work very well together. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like it, of course. I'm your best agile coach in the universe, according to the Martians, in this mica landing site, I guess. And sometime liberating structures. Thank you.